Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 15th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $1.14. That's not a lot, 0.38%. Closed at 303.75. Post-market, we are up by 13 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Tesla did this new bullish channel. We have a new bullish channel, that we discovered because, let me tell you something. Last week, the stock was moving up in a straight line like this. This is why we could draw this very tight channel. But stocks stocks never move up without having red days. So if you look at this here, this is moving up, green, a bit of red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. You catch my drift? And when we are having red candles, we sometimes, instead of staying into a line like this, we sometimes do bottoms. This is basically a line, and this is a bottom here. This is another bottom here, and things like that. So bottom, bottom. And these bottom help us also do a different type of channel. A channel that's not close to every individual candle, but is a more longer term kind of thing. So basically this is what happened right here. So last week, the stock was moving fast without a pause that we were forced to do a very tight channel. But now with what happened on Tuesday, then we have a bottom here. The stock went and did the bottom. It moved, it did a bottom here. So then, since then, we have a more regular looking bullish channel right here. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart on this day, so we started at 9:30 right here. So we used the $300. Is it 300? Let me tell you exactly. 372. So 372 is a support that was used. Look at this here. September 12th at the beginning of the day. And then we are basically playing around this number. We touched it perfectly also today. So green candle during the first hour of the day, then 2 red candles, then another green, 2 red, then another green here. So we seem to maintaining ourselves quite well above 372 cents. Stochastic on the 1 hour chart is still decent at 70. We just lost the MACD. MACD just broke over bearish. RSI is still good and the MI is still good. The stock market is not doing very well. After this video, look at my Dow Jones, VIX and S&P 500 video where we are going to look at what happened today with the indices. But if we go back on the daily chart, stochastic is still climbing, so we are happy to see this. Happy to see this. Stochastic at 86, so now we are getting a decent number. Everything else is positive. Technically, we should be going up. We should continue going up unless we break this support right here. Unless we break support, we should be going up. We still have a bit of resistance at 314 like we had before, and other resistance a little bit higher around 350. But so if the market as a whole helps, we should be reaching these numbers. But as you'll see in my other video, this remains to be seen. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.